Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe channel. If your soundbar or home theater system isn't producing sound through your VIZIO Smart TV's HDMI ARC port, or you're just unsure how to use ARC properly, don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up HDMI ARC correctly and fix any common issues that might stop it from working. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand what HDMI ARC is. ARC stands for Audio Return Channel. It's a feature built into modern HDMI ports that allows your TV to both send and receive audio through a single HDMI cable. This means you don't need multiple cables for input and sound output. If your soundbar or receiver supports ARC or eARC, you can enjoy premium sound directly from your TV without extra clutter. Always use a high-speed HDMI cable with Ethernet for the best ARC performance. Step 2. Locate and connect the HDMI ARC port. On your VIZIO Smart TV, find the HDMI port labeled HDMI ARC. Usually it's HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, depending on the model. Connect one end of your HDMI cable to this ARC port on the TV. Then, plug the other end into the HDMI ARC port on your soundbar, AV receiver, or speaker system. Once connected, power on both devices. You should notice the sound automatically routing through your external audio device. If not, don't worry. We'll fix that in the next step. Step 3. Enable HDMI ARC settings. Now, grab your VIZIO TV remote and go to Menu Audio Output HDMI ARC. Make sure HDMI ARC is selected as your output source. Next, check the CEC, Consumer Electronics Control, setting. It's often labeled as System CEC on. This allows your TV to communicate with your soundbar for automatic power and volume control. Once both ARC and CEC are enabled, test the setup by playing a video or streaming app. If everything's correct, the audio should play through your connected sound system. Step 4. Troubleshoot common ARC issues. If you're still not getting sound, unplug both the TV and soundbar for 30 seconds, then reconnect. Make sure your soundbar's input mode is set to HDMI ARC. Try a different HDMI cable. Some older cables don't support ARC functions. Finally, perform a soft power cycle on your VIZIO TV, system reset, and admin soft power cycle. After restarting, reconnect your devices. Most ARC issues get fixed this way. Step 5. Test and enjoy premium sound. Once your ARC connection is active, test with different content, streaming apps, Blu-ray, or console audio. Notice the improved clarity and depth. That's the advantage of using ARC over optical cables. Now you can enjoy synchronized, high-quality sound with fewer cables and better control. And that's how you properly use HDMI ARC on your VIZIO Smart TV. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Smart TV tips. Drop a comment if you still face ARC issues. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.